Did you know India was once part of Africa? Millions of years ago, India wasn't where it is today. It was actually attached to Africa and sat right next to Madagascar inside the supercontinent of Gondwana, yep, we used to be neighbors. But then the tectonic plates started moving. India and Madagascar broke away from Africa together. Around 30 million years later, India left Madagascar behind and continued north alone. Wait, you're leaving already? Looks like I still have a long journey ahead. India traveled more than 6,000 kilometers across the ocean before finally reaching Asia. Hold on, you're coming in pretty fast. The collision was so powerful that it created the Himalayas and Mount Everest. And that's how I was born. Even today, India is still pushing into Asia, causing Mount Everest to grow by nearly 1 centimeter every year. The tallest mountains on Earth are actually the scars of a collision that is still happening today.